Okay, good evening, children.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Right. Nice,
Good evening, sir.
nice to
Good
see you.
evening, sir.
Right.
Good evening,
Hasna,
sir.
good evening to you first.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am Damsadi. Good evening, sir. Sir, I
Yes.
have to log out the 6 p.m. because in our school have 6 o'clock to maths class.
Your
Can you
maths
give?
class.
Yes, sir.
Right. No problem. No problem. We are recording the
Good evening,
program,
sir.
right? So you can
Sir.
log into recording later on and get the lesson. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Right. Forget. No problem. Do both. Right. I want to call your name. Sandaseya and Nisadi. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Ninna, Yenuka, Sarada, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Shaven, Aditi, Harshi, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Senara, Sanuli, Harshi, Gagani, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Rashka, Yenumi, Damsadi, Kasumi, Upeksha, good evening.
Good evening,
sir.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Lakmi, Linet, Chenuti, and Dulina, good evening.
Good evening,
Good evening, sir.
Right, Senna. So I said good evening to everybody. If I did not tell any name, please excuse me. I am sorry. Hurry. You have logged into www.myteachers.lk. Our Kumara Janapriya Sir's special English class, grade 6, Friday, 5:30 p.m. to 7:30. Right. Live පන්ති ඉන්න පුළුවන් නම් දම්සරි තමයි වටින්නේ අර රෙකෝඩින් එකට වඩා. හැබැයි ඔබට ස්කෝලේ වැඩත් කරගන්න ඕන නිසා I like you join the max class, no problem. You are a clever pupil in our class, so you can listen to the recording and continue the lesson. Genuinely good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Right. Today we are going to start unit number 9. Have you got the tutorial? Hands up. දැන් නම් ටියුට් ලැබිලා ඇති නෑ කියන්න එපා.
Yes, sir.
Right. If you haven't got the tutorial, share the PDF with a friend.
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, August tute එකේ ටිකක් තියෙනවා.
හරි. ඔගස්ට් ටියුට් එකේ අන්තිම කොටස නේද අපිට තියෙන්නේ?
ඔව් sir, අන්තිම පිට.
Right. Last page. Page number 12. First, let's complete it. Up here, complete karala. Go to the new tute. Right.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
But sir, we
Not August. This date is September.
September, not August. Yenuka September. Right. Okay.
Sir, but we have to talk the page number 11, fifth question. We have to mark it.
Right.
Yes.
Right. We have to mark fifth question. Name, age. Right. Later on, I can do it. Api එක පස්සේ කරමු. Turn to page number 12, activity number 8. Dulina, can you read the question, Puta?
No, sir. We have write it down.
All right.
Nine. Sir, we have to.
Sir, we completed it.
Right. Okay. What is the question number, Disinu?
7 and 9.
Huh?
20. 6, 7, 9 and continue it.
Okay. 7, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Sir, 7 is not continued.
Right. We can start number 7 first. Ahasna, can you read question number 7?
Okay, sir, sure. Read the passage and answer the questions given.
Okay. Can you read the paragraph? I like to hear your voice first.
Okay, sir, thank you. Long ago, in China, there lived a trainer named Mustafa. He was very poor. He had a son called Aldin. Mustafa wanted Aldin to learn how to make clothes so that saw that he could help him. But Aladdin wanted to do was to play in the street with other boys. Then his father fell ill and died. Aladdin's mother had to do all the work. I wish you would help me sometimes, she said. But he never did. One day, when Aladdin was out playing, a man spoke to him. He said he was his father's brother.
Okay, okay. Please answer the questions, everybody. I will give you Shaven 5 minutes. Shaven, I watched your video. That's very good. I sent a message. Did you see the message?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Huh? Every day you can record such speeches and send to my WhatsApp number. I will write myself, watch and give you a feedback. Okay. Who recorded it? Your father, mother?
Sir.
Huh?
Father.
Good, good, good. Say thank you to your father, right? Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
what is page?
Page number 11, question number 7. Sadish, page number 11, question number 7. Sadish,
Okay,
have you got the tute?
Sir,
September tute එක පුතා. You see what is this tute? You can see September, October. I can't see it. Page number 11 බලන්න ඔයා. කොහොම පෙන්වන්න මට පේන්නේ page number 11 question number 7 test paper. Page number 11.
Okay, sir.
If you don't have this tutorial, no problem. Stay 15 minutes. Dani pahalawak chuttak inna. After that, we are starting the new tute. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Our new tute is unit. Athule balana unit kiyala gahana nathi puta. Sadish. First page. What is the unit?
Sir, make October.
New tutorial. Now we are following the previous tutorial and finish it, right? You haven't got September tute.
Okay.
Right,
sir.
no problem. I will send you the PDF later on. Please call me after the class is over, right?
Okay, sir.
Anyway, finish writing.
I have done my work, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir, I have done my work.
Yes.
I have done my work, sir.
Today you can see the
My
teacher.
work, sir.
The teacher's face is different. Different.
You are so handsome, sir.
Handsome. Thank you. I went to a wrong salon. The man cut off all my hair.
But
Right?
no problem, sir. You are still beautiful and
Okay. Thank you. Let's see. Looks like a young
Sir, I
man.
am Chandra. I have done my
you
work.
are just a young man, not an old man.
Yes. I am 60 years old. Huh?
No,
Maybe.
sir.
No, sir.
Right. Okay. You don't believe.
No, sir. I can't believe.
Right. Cannot be believe. Unbelievable. Right. I'll show you my ID. Then you can understand how old am I. Right. Okay. Question number 1. Nesandi. Where did Mustafa live?
In China.
China not. China. China. Don't say China. It's wrong. In China. Number 2, please answer Damsadiduwa. What was his son's name?
Aladdin.
Aladdin. Good, good. Yashmi, what this Mustafa want his son to do?
To learn how to make clothes.
Good. To learn how to make what?
Clothes.
Clothes. Next one. Gagani, who had to do all the work? Yermi's mother? No. Who had to do all the work? Not Aladdin. Durina?
Aladdin's mother.
Aladdin's mother, Shai. Aladdin's Harshi. What did Aladdin want to do?
To play with other friends.
He
Play
wanted
with
to
other
play
friends.
with other boys.
With other friends.
Okay, okay. Now switch off your mics and get 10 marks.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Now discuss unit now 8 or 9.
Question number 9. Sadish, I will write the question on the blackboard. You can write. ප්‍රශ්නය ලියාගෙන ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕන. අනිත් අය කරන්න. Read. Aditi, can you read question number 9?
Write the below sentences in past tense.
Okay. Write the below sentences in past tense. Chenuti, did I teach you past tense? Yes or not, Durina?
Yes, sir, you taught many times.
Many times, many times. Okay, Sadish, take out your writing book. Others, Yenuka, you can start answers. Others can change it. The boy is.
Sir, මම අද තමයි පන්තියේ join උනේ.
Sadish, okay.
මොනවාගේ පොත ගන්න ඕනේ sir?
නෑ පුතා, ඔයා ලියන පොත අරගෙන මේ වාක්‍ය ටික ලියන් past tense කරන්න. Okay?
Okay, sir.
නැත්තම් ඔයාට පාඩි මේ චූටි වැඩ ටිකක්. මම ඔයාට PDF එක එවන්නම්. I will send you the PDF, huh?
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, second sentence එක sir මේ past tense එකක් නේ.
No, no. It's not past tense.
I am Sandhya. I have done my work, sir.
Me too,
Yes,
sir. I am
Sandhya.
Damsadi.
Me too, sir.
Okay, okay. Lynette, finish writing.
I have done my work, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why are you underline is?
Yes. Yes. I underline because this is the verb. These are the places you must make past tense. These are the places where you must need past tense. Finish writing, hands up those who have finished writing.
I eat.
Sir,
Asuni.
can you click on the chat?
Okay,
Sir,
Kasuni
please.
first one. Now switch on,
Okay, sir.
switch off the cameras. The boy
Excuse
is
me,
reading a book.
The boy was read a book.
Again,
Can I try, sir?
Kasuni.
The boy was read a book.
Wrong, wrong, wrong.
Can I try, sir? Cancel.
Not, I need
The
Rashka.
boy,
Rashka.
The boy is reading a book. The boy was reading a book.
Good, good, good. The boy was reading a book. We never change here. Senara, we paid the electricity bill. Senara is silent. Please answer Mr. Shavin.
The boy was reading a book.
Not
sir.
number.
Paid the electricity bill.
We paid. P-A-I-D, paid. Number 3, I like to give this opportunity, Mr. Yenuka Sadahas. Yenuka, start.
I like,
to eat fruits.
I liked to eat fruits.
Did you write correctly, Yenuka? Hands up. Okay, Yenuka, you can score 2 marks and put it into the pocket. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Right. Question number 4. I like to give this chance to Chatumi. Chatumi, start. The bull drinks Poonek. Chatumi සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පන්ති උත්තර දෙන්නේ නැති ළමයි. මං හොඳට බලලා තියෙනවා. She does not answer any question. Situli. Mr. Nadev.
Yes, sir.
Start. The bull drinks Poonek.
The bull drink the Poonek.
Wrong, wrong. Put the wrong mark.
I can
That
tell,
is
sir.
wrong. Wait.
Can I tell?
I like to give this
I
opportunity to
can, sir.
Sandaseya. Sandaseya.
The bull drink Poonek.
Wrong, wrong. Put a wrong mark. ඔන්න වැරදි දාගන්න පස්සේ ලකුණු දාගන්න බෑ. I like Lynette. Lynette, start.
I can, sir.
The bull drank Poonek.
The bull
Drank Poonek.
drinks. Wrong, wrong, wrong.
Sir,
That
can
is
I
wrong.
try? I am Hasna.
Aditi, your chance.
The bull drank Poonek.
Okay, drink, drank. Lynette, එස්සකුණ දාන්නේ නෑ, never. Drink, drank. Your answer is correct, but you pronounce as drinks. That is, do you know? Nesadi, do you drink Poonek? Where Poonek borado?
No, sir.
Huh? Yelumi, do you like to drink Poonek?
No, sir.
Punakubo, yes. Huh? It is a very good drink, Dulina, right?
No, sir.
Huh? Some people like to drink it. Huh? I saw in a film, a man was trying to drink Poonek. Then
No, sir. Bulsala drink.
no, in that film, the man cried. Then he became very strong like a bull after drinking Pune. And he started charging at great speed, running here and there aimlessly. Chenuli, he eats an apple and a mango.
He ate an apple and a mango.
Good. Spellings for eight.
A-E-T.
A-E-T, not A-T-E. Right.
I log out.
Now we completed question number.
Excuse me, sir. I am
Yes.
done study. I log out.
You want to log out now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Right. I am not happy. I like if you can stay in the class with us
Yes,
until
yes,
the
sir.
last moment. You are
Okay.
an active girl in our class. I think school lesson is also very important, but English lessons are more important than those lessons. Right?
Yeah.
No problem. You may decide. what tirne karanna. I
Excuse me,
like
sir.
if you can stay 2 hours with the teacher.
Okay, sir.
Right. We are coming
Thank
to
you and
next.
God bless you, sir.
Okay, you too.
Excuse
Question
me,
number
sir.
10. Can you read this question? Our reader is this time Sanuli Imaya. Sanuli, can you read?
Make questions. The first one is done for you.
Okay. Nadev, do you know how to make questions? Question form.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start question form. Ekran. Sadish, are you in the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sadish, mangoya video maganti liyan nang I can write sentences for you.
I have done my work, sir. I have done my work, sir. I'm Senara.
Sampihansa, I have done my work, sir.
I am Sandasay. I have done my work, sir.
I have
No,
done
sir.
my work, sir.
Wait, I
Excuse me,
went to
sir.
take, what is this?
Water bottle.
Water bottle.
Water bottle, not bottle of water. Water bottle
Excuse
can
me, sir.
watura dana bottle. That is water bottle. When you fill the water, Hiranya, this is not water bottle.
Excuse me, sir.
Bottle of water.
A bottle of water.
Yes,
Bottle of
right.
Excuse me,
Excuse
sir. We
me.
have completed activities 20.
How many bottles of water do you drink a day?
6. We cannot count it, but we should drink 1 liter and 5 milliliters.
The about
In my car, I always keep 6
Six bottles.
bottles, right? Like this.
yes.
This is the 5th bottle, Dulina. Today I drank 4 bottles. This is a 6th one. Right? Drink plenty of water. Always when you sit at the class, Gagani, keep a bottle of water beside your table and drink sip by sip. Like Yenumi. Yenumi has a nice water bottle. Not bottle of water, water bottle.
No,
So you
sir,
also
it's a cup of water.
Cup of water. Yenumi, your sister is with you today.
So you
Yes,
also
sir, my mother is gardening and she is with me.
Ah, okay. She's disturbing. Don't disturb the sister, okay? If your brothers and sisters disturb you, Dulina, tell me, Kayla.
okay, sir, I will tell you.
I have done my
Right.
work, sir.
I want to catch the students who are disturbing our talented pupils. You all have brothers and sisters. Sometimes your brothers and sisters disturb. Aditi is family, no problem. Aditi, there is nobody to disturb. Right? Everybody helps you. Okay, Shavin,
Excuse me, sir. We
do
have
your brothers
completed-
disturb?
Okay.
Let's start. Adish, Sadish, or Tina Puta Menameka. They are in the library. They are in the library. Please answer this question. Matabe Harsha Hiranya. Can you answer? Question form.
Okay, sir. They are in the library. Question form is, are they in the library?
Good girl. Good girl.
Thank you.
Lynette, he is playing volleyball. He is playing volleyball.
Is he playing volleyball?
Is he playing volleyball? Is he playing volleyball? Mr. Dulina, we are reading a book.
We are reading a book. Question form is, are we reading a book?
Are we reading a book? Are they reading a book? Are you reading a book? Sinara, she is writing a letter.
She is writing a letter. The question form is she writing a letter?
Okay, Ranudaya, Disinu Ranudaya, the cat is eating a fish.
Is the cat eating a fish?
Is the cat eating a fish? Question form. Right? Last question for the day is fill in the blanks of the sentences using on, in, under, between, near. Wait a while. Look at the teacher. Lend me your eyes. එනුක දන්නේ නැහැ නේ ඒකේ තේරුම.
No, sir.
අපි ස්පෝකන් පන්තියේ උගන්වපු වාක්‍යයක්. Ask what is the meaning? Lend me your eyes.
ආදේශ බලන්න.
ආදේශ බලන්න. Lend me your ears. Bridle your tongue.
මට ඇහුම් කන් දෙන්න.
Wait and see. අපි ගොඩක් දේවල් ඉගෙන ගත්තනේ.
I have done my work.
හැබැයි අපිට ලබන බදාද පන්තිය කැන්සල් කරන්න සිදු වෙනවා. We have to cancel. Why? බදාද ඉන්න ළමයි අත උස්සන්න බලන්න. ස්පෝකන් පන්තිය මෙතන ඉන්නවනේ. Right? Most of you join our Thursday's class, but no problem. Only
මට කියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
wait. Only this week, මේ සතිය විතරක් both classes are conducted on Thursday. එතකොට මට තරගයක තියන්න පුළුවන් හොඳ නේද? Thursday group and Wednesday group. I will send you the message. මමට message එකක් කියවන Thursday, Wednesday both classes are conducted at the same time. If there is a change, පොඩි වෙනසක් වුණොත් I will let you know. Section number 11. තප්පර 30 ලියනවා. 1 2 3 start.
I have done my work, sir.
Good.
Me too, sir. I am Lynette. I have done my work, sir. I am Sarada.
I have done my
work, sir.
I have done my work. I am Disinu.
Okay, okay.
I have done my work, sir. I am Samson. I have done my work. I have
Now-
done my work, sir.
Nadev, little by little, now country is open. The rata ටික අරිනව නේද?
Yes, sir.
COVID deviant then ටික ටික ඈත් වෙගෙන යනවා. We are very happy. So we can organize our English camp. අපට organize කරන්න පුළුවන් English camp එක.
COVID-19 is not God. Monster.
Huh?
COVID-19
It's a
is not
monster.
God.
No, my son says he is a god, right? That's why I call you. Actually, he's a monster. Next time, I am thinking where should I go to organize the camp or to meet pupils? Huh?
Meet us.
Right? Which district is better? මොන district එකද හොඳ හිතන්නේ ආස්තා?
Candy.
Kandy. Yashmi හිතන්නේ මොකද්ද? What is better, Yashmi?
I think goal camp. It is
Goal
goal.
camp is good. No? Yes, yes.
Sir, can't we do our camp?
Camp in Colombo, okay, we will try our
Yes,
level best. But my plan is to organize special camp in Galle. But Hiru, you also can come, no problem. If your father has a vehicle,
I will try, sir.
right, right. I think now parents have vehicles, no? Hands up those who have vehicle, motorbike, some kind of vehicle at home. Idhar motorcycle එකක් කර තියෙන අය තුස්සන්. No problem. Right? Okay. You can come. Right? That's good. So we next time we will organize in Galle. I would like to invite all Galle. There's a very nice hotel called Hotel Aradhana. Huh? Hotel Aradhana. That's a very nice hotel.
Beautiful hotel. It is near to sea.
Huh?
It is near to sea. It is beautiful.
Not that far. No, that is right.
I
That is
saw
on Richmond Hill. But we will not cancel. If cancel karane Colombo camp, I will fly to Colombo, right?
it's good, sir.
Huh?
It's good.
Yes, I will not forget, right? I will not forget, but let's see what we can do. Question number 11, first one. Pehansa, can you start first one?
Okay, sir, I can. The book is space the table. The book is on the table.
The book is on the table. Chatumi, number 2.
The ball is in the box.
Good, good. The ball is in the box. Number 3, Nesadi.
The cat is under the bed.
The cat is under the bed. Yenuka Sandahas.
The chair is between the cupboard and the table.
Okay. Number 5, Dagani Dayarak.
The dog is near the car.
Okay, all 5 answers. Please read all 5 answers. Hiranya.
Okay, sir. The book is on the table. The ball is in the box. The cat is under the table. The chair is between the cupboard and the table. The dog is near to car.
Near to, not near the car. Near the car.
Okay, sir. It's a mistake.
Right. We have completed the paper. Please write this essay. I like my mother we got. Can you write to me about your school? Huh?
Okay, sir.
Next week.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So you can write, I will tell you 10 sentences about my school. Huh? Do you know the teacher's school? Hands up. කියන්න පසගේ ස්කෝලේ දන්නේ නැහැ දොස්තන්. Do you know the teacher's school? Dinet don't know. Dinet මං කියන වාක්‍ය හරිද බලන්න. My school is Southern Girls College.
Sir, it is wrong.
It is wrong. I know, sir.
My school is Sacred Heart Convent.
No, sir, it's wrong.
Your school is Mahinda College.
Nadeem, tell me, what is the school?
First school is Mahinda College.
Mahinda College එකනේ දන්නේ නැහැ දුස්සන වල. Do you know the ඒ නම හප්පය? Yes. මම කියන්නම් ලංකාවේ තියෙන මේ පාසලේ විතරක් තියෙන විශේෂත්වයක්. Can you tell me? ඒක මහින්ද ඉස්කෝලේ විතරයි තියෙන්නේ.
Okay, sir.
Who can tell me?
College. Buddhist college.
No, there are many Buddhist colleges. Sangamit is a Buddhist college.
Many libraries.
No. It is not a facility. මේක පහසුකමක් නෙමෙයි. Extraordinary thing. අද්විතීය දෙයක්. Endemic. ස්කෝලේට ආවේනිකයි. Authentic.
Olcott Hall.
Huh?
The best school in Gaul.
The best school in God. No. Richmond is a very good school. Mahinda, Southern, Sangamita, Vishaka, many schools are in Sri Lanka. Jeremy, do you know? Can I tell you simply?
Okay,
Mom.
sir, tell it, I don't.
Right.
Okay, sir, tell.
This is the specialty. Huh? Can you, Dulina Gala Nisa කියන්න පුළුවන්. Dulina, do you know? What is the specialty? Nobody can tell. මේකේ මහින්ද ළමයිවත් දන්නේ නැහැ සමහර. මේකේ තියෙන විශේෂත්වය Mahindians also do not know nothing. ඒගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා ඒගොල්ලන්ට මේක කියන්න දන්නේ නැහැ. Yes. ලංකාවේ තව පාසල් වල තියෙන දන්නේ මම දන්න විදිහට මහින්ද විතරයි මේ ගතිගුණේ තියෙන්නේ. I think only in Mahinda College. Yes. What is this?
See? A flag.
මගේ මේසෙ තිබුණානේ පා කියන්නේ. ඔන්නේ මගේ පස්සේ දෙන්න.
My Sinhala handwriting poor. දුප්පත්.
Sir, Mahinda College. That go badge.
Okay. What is this? Mahinda Vidyalaya කියන නම පාසලේ නැති එකම ඉස්කෝලේ ලංකාවේ තියෙන. බෝඩ් එකක් නැහැ. හැම පාසලෙම ඉස්සරහම ගහලා තියෙන නේද බෝඩ් එකක්. යශ්මි සවුතර්න් කොලෙජ් කියලා තියෙනවා. සංගමිත්ත කොලෙජ් කියලා තියෙනවා. නේද? විශාඛා කොලෙජ්, රොයල් කොලෙජ්, මියුසියස් කොලෙජ්, අනුලාදේවි කොලෙජ්. මහින්ද විද්‍යාලය විතරක් කෙනෙමි නමක් නැහැ. Why? මහින්ද විද්‍යාලයට නමක් ඕනේ හඳුන ගන්න. ඒකේ අපට වටපිටාව දකින්නකොටම තේරෙනවා මේ මහින්ද කියලා. Very beautiful environment. Situated on a hill. අදිති දැකලා තියෙනව නේද මහින්ද විද්‍යාලය?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful or not?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. There are roads inside the school, Asta. And you can see Adams Peak. Mahinda Vidyalaya එක ශාලාවකට පේනව කන්ද උඩ සිරිපාදේ කන්දේ ඡායාව. Do you believe? විශ්වාස කරනවා?
Yes, we can. No, sir. Yes, sir, we can.
We
Believe
have
it.
watched. Because it is on a hill. කන්දක් මුදුනක තියෙන්නේ. And building is also higher. When we climb the building, through the window, now there we can see the sign, just a shade of Sri Pada mountain. Right.
Yes,
That
sir.
is, හරි. එහෙනම් මහින්ද විද්‍යාලේ හොයාගන්න විදියක් තියෙනවා බෝඩ් එක නැති ඉස්කෝලේ ලංකාවේ තියෙනවා. That is what?
Mahinda College.
Mahinda College.
Mahinda College.
Okay, okay. So I am proud, very proud to be Mahindian. හැබැයි මහින්දරත් වඩා හොඳ පාසලක් තියෙනවා Richmond College. Both school fight neck by neck. Richmond Mahinda, there is a big match. අහලා තියෙනව නේද?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ආස්නා.
We
ඒ big match එකට there is a special name. ලස්සන නමක් කියනවා. දන්නවද අදිති?
no, sir.
මෙන්න ඒකට කියන නම. Can you read it, Asna?
Flowers.
L-U-A-R-R-E. Not lovers for ආදරවන්තයින්ගේ සටන. Enemy. What is the name?
Flowers College.
Yes.
Flowers
නමින්න ඒ නම හුවමත් අහලා තියෙනව නේද? Lovers Corral. ආදරවන්තයින්ගේ සටන. Lovers Corral. Right. Okay. Do you like to watch the next match? Come and watch. One day I told you we were wearing ladies' clothes and we were walking along the road. Yashmi, huh? When I was schooling, I was wearing my sister's frock, you know me, and went to watch the match. Right? That is how we got dressed and got ready for the match. Lovers Corral. What is the name, Chavi?
Flowers College.
It is a fight. Ek a satana. Whose fight?
Flowers College.
ආදරවන්තයින් රණ්ඩු වෙන්නේ ඇත්තටද බොරුවටද? බොරුවටනේ.
Velvet.
අපි ගහගන්නේ රිෂ්මන් විද්‍යාලයක ඇත්තට නෙවෙයි එනමි බොරුවට. Lovers Corral, right? Okay, okay. එතකොට අපි කුමාරසලා ගහගන්නවා ඒ දවස්වල. කුමාර ජනප්‍රිය sir, he is from Richmond College. I am from
Mahinda College.
and he is waving the flag in front of our tent. We are waving the flag. Go, go, go. Go to your tent. Then he comes with the bar. You go. We were fighting. But after the match is over, we are friends again. Okay. Right. Now, please write hands up those who can write about your school. Not only Mahinda College, all the schools are good. All the schools are good. Okay. Generally. Chetana is from Sangamita College. Our girls college, ape, right? මේ කලම්බු කට්ටිය දන්නේ නැති දෙයක් රහසක් තියෙන ගාල්ලේ පාසල් වල. There is a secret, Aditi. What is the secret? Do you know the secret?
No, sir.
මේක ගාලු දිස්ත්‍රික්කයේ විතරක් තියෙන හැම දිස්ත්‍රික්කෙම ටික ටික ඇති. ගෝල් දිස්ත්‍රික් වල තියෙන මෙහෙමයි. Aloysius College, Convent College. ඒ දෙක එක ළඟ තියෙන්නේ. Aloysius එකේ convent එකේ කට්ටිය යාළුවෝ. Richmond College, Ripon Girls College. එක ළඟ තියෙන්නේ. All Saints College, Yashmi, Southlands College. නේද? අන්න යශ්මිලා ඉස්කෝලේ ඉස්සරහම තියෙන All Saints එකේ පිරිමි ළමයි ඉන්නේ ඉස්සරහ. Sangamita College and Aditi?
Mahinda College.
Sangamita and Mahinda College. දැක්කද? අදේ හොඳයි නේද? එහෙම తీරන නම් ගෑල් ළමයින්ගේ පාසලක් ළඟ. අන්න බලන්න අදේ hina වෙනවා හරි ආසාවෙන්. He likes. Right? Okay. Come to goal. Ragani, ගාල්ලට එන්න ඕනේ ඒව දකින්න. You have to come to goal. Ripon, Richmond, Aloysius Convent, අනිත් district වල මෙහෙම අඩුයි. Southland All Saints, Aditi, Sangamittan.
Mahinda.
Okay, okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Now we are going to start our new tune. Unit 9. ඔන්න සදීෂ් ගන්න tune.
Sir, we have complete activity 20.
Right? Sugar or sand? Now I am going to tell you about Andare. What do you know about Andare? Hands up. Andare ගැන ඔබ දන්න වාක්‍යයක් in English.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can I tell the king?
He's
No.
a bad man.
He's a bad man. No.
He is a
Then I will write. Wait. You tell me whether I am correct or not. Andare was the driver. Correct or wrong? Switch off your mic. Mangane kiya gaya. Nadev. Andare was the driver. Correct or wrong?
No, sir, that is wrong.
Okay. Andare lived in India.
No, sir.
Chetana,
No, sir.
Yenumi. Right? Andare lived in Colombo.
No, sir. It is a fake answer.
He did not live in Colombo. Andare was a jester. Yeah, Raja Kavate. Correct or wrong?
sir. Yes, sir.
Wait.
Andare is the jester of the royal place.
Yes, he was a jester. Do you like Andare?
Yes, sir. We love very much. Sir, we love that character, Andare.
Andare, yes. Andare. I will tell you this story first. අපි අද readersලා team 3ක් reading තරගයක් තියෙනවා. Right?
Okay, sir, that's good.
Huh?
Okay,
එහෙනම් first,
That's good.
okay, first team එක කොටස් කියවන්න ඕන. Nesanthi, Nadev, Yashmi. Nesanthi, Nadev, Yashmi, Chenuli. ඔන්න 4 දෙනා. Nesanthi start. එයා නතර කරන තැන අනිත් එක්කෙනා කියන්න ඕන. Start.
Sugar or sand? Andare is the jester of the royal palace. One day he goes to meet the king at the palace. May you live long, my lord and my queen. I was expressing you, Andare. It's a fine day, isn't it, Andare?
Enough. Now, Yenuka. Yenuka is not ready, Nadev.
Andare, shall we go for a walk in the royal garden? Yes, my lord, if you please. That's on that. What's on that mat? Your Majesty, Andare, this is
A kind.
kind of white sand. The royal gardener has put it there to dry. Well, this is not white sand, it's sugar. If only I could taste it, I must play a trick.
Enough. Yashmi.
I must play a trick. After a while, my lord, please permit me to leave now. Yes, you may. Andare at home. Son, I am going to palace again. As I told you, come to palace crying and tell me that your mother died. All right, father. Andare at the palace. May you live long, my majesty. I hope you enjoy your lunch.
my lord. My lord, here comes my son.
Enough. Next, Chenuli.
Son, I am going to the palace again. As to told you come to palace, try and tell me that your mother died. All right. May you live alone, my lord, my queen. I was expecting your Andre. It's a fine day. It Andre shall we go for
Okay, enough. First team finish. First team, first laknu mangkan. Second team, Pehansa, Rashka, Kasuni, and Disinu. Pehansa start.
Thank you, sir. Sugar or sand? Andre is the jester of the royal palace. One day he goes to meet the king at the palace. May you live long, my lord and my queen. I was expecting you, Andre. It's a fine day, isn't it? Andre, shall we go for a walk in the royal garden? Yes, my lord, if you please. What's on that mat, your majesty?
Enough, Lynette. Lynette, the team mate there, ma? Pehansa?
No.
No, next one. Who is next one?
Rashka.
Okay, Rashka, start.
Andre, this is a kind of white sand. The royal gardener has put it there to dry. Well, this is not white sand. It's sugar. If only I could taste it. I must play a trick. After a while, my lord, please permit me to leave now. Yes, you may. Andre at home. Son, I am going to the palace again. As I told you, come to the palace, cry and tell me that your mother died. All right, father. Andre at the palace.
Enough, next one.
All right, father. Andre at the palace. May you live long, your majesty. I hope you enjoyed your lunch, my lord. My lord, here comes my son. Oh, he looks so sad. Why are you crying, my son? Oh, father, our mother's died. I can't live without her. What shall we do now? I am heartbroken. Who will take care of us now?
Enough. Next one.
Disinu.
Disinu.
What's the use of my life now? Let's eat the sand. I too want to die.
Okay.
Let's eat the sand. I too want.
Now third team. Dulina, Shavel, Yenuvi, Harshi. Dulina start.
May you live long, my lord and my queen.
Not. From the very beginning. Mulai damakia.
Andre is the jester of the royal palace. One day he goes to meet the king at the palace. May you live long, my lord and my queen. I was expecting you, Andre. It is a fine day, isn't it, Andre? Shall we go for a walk in the royal garden? Yes, my lord, if you please. What's on that mat, your majesty? Andre, this is a kind of white sand. The royal gardener was put it there to dry. Well, this is not white sand. It is sugar. If only I could taste it. I must play a trick.
Enough. Yenumi.
After a while, my lord, please permit
Yenumi,
to leave
you
now.
may start. Patangana Metani. Andre, this is a kind of white sand.
Okay, sir. Andere, this is a kind of white sand. The royal gardener has put it there to dry. Well, well, this is not white sand. It's sugar. If only I could taste it, I must play a trick. After a while, my lord, please permit me to leave now. Yes, you may.
Enough.
Andere,
Next one.
Andere at home. Son, I am going to the palace again. As I told you, come to the palace, cry and tell me that your mother died. All right, father, Andere at the palace. May you live long, your majesty. I hope you enjoyed your
Enough. I
lunch,
hope.
my lord.
Next one. Hiranya.
Hiranya. Where should I start? On my lord, here comes
Yes.
my lord. Here comes my son. Oh, he looks so sad. Why are you crying, my son? Oh, father, our mother died. I can't live without her. What shall we do now? I'm heartbroken. Who will take care of us now? What's the use of my life now? Let's eat this sand. I too want to die. Thank you, sir.
Good, good, good. Now, last team, Antima team, Sandaseya, Ahasna, Aditi and Sanuli. Our team में कभी बालमु कहते हैं Sandaseya, start.
Sugar or sand. Andere is the jester of the royal place. One day he goes to meet the
One day,
king
not
of-
one day. One day.
One day he goes to meet the king at place. May you live long, my lord and my queen. I was expecting you, Andere. It is a fine day. It's it. Andere, shall we go for a walk in the royal garden? Yes, my lord. If you please. What is on that mat, your majesty?
Enough, Ahasna. Ahasna, start.
Okay, sir. Andere. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir? Sir, can... Okay.
Yes, I can.
Andre, this is a kind of white sand. The royal gardener has put it there to dry. Well,
I can't hear you properly, Dua. Your voice is blurry.
it's not a white sand. It's a must. Please permit me to leave now. Yes,
Enough.
you
Sanuli. Sanuli, hurry up.
Andere at home. Son, I am going to the palace again. As I told you, come to the palace, crying and tell me that your mother died. All right, father. Andere at the palace. May you live long, your majesty. I hope you enjoyed your lunch, my lord. My lord, here comes my son. Oh, he looks
Enough.
so sad.
Aditi.
My lord, live long, your majesty. I hope you enjoyed your lunch, my lord. My lord, here comes my son. Oh, he looks so sad. Why are you crying, my son? Oh, father, our mother died. I can't live without her. What shall we do now? I'm heartbroken. Who will take care of us now? What's the use of my life now? Let's eat this sand. I too want to die.
Okay, okay. There were 4 teams. Team Satrak Tibuna. Team number 5. Kenuti, Senara, Chetana. Yashmi, you were there?
Yes, sir.
Chetana, enemy Pehansa. Pehansa, start.
Mama kiwa.
You want it?
He
I'm
does.
sorry.
does.
Pehansa also.
Okay. Chenuli, Senara, Sarada, and Chetana. Start, Chenuti.
Sugar or sand. Andare is the gesture of
Sadish,
the
Isugaran
royal
at Wangin.
place.
Start.
One day he goes, sugar or sand. Andare is the gesture of the royal place. One day he goes to meet the king at the place. May you live long, my lord and my queen. I was expecting you on the day. It's a fine
Enough.
day.
Next one, Senara.
Isn't it?
Enough, enough. Enough to
Day
stop.
shall we
Chenuti,
go
stop.
for a
Senara.
It's a fine day. It Andare. Shall we go for a walk in the royal garden? Yes, my lord, if you please. What's on that meat, your majesty? Andare, this is a kind of white sand. The royal gardener has put it there to dry. Well, this is not white sand. It's sugar. If only
Enough. Next
I
one, Sarada.
It's sugar. If only I could taste it. I must play a trick. After a while. My lord, please permit me to leave now. Yes, you may. Andare at home. Son, I'm going to the palace again. As I told you, come to the palace, crying and tell me that your mother died. All right, father. Andare at the palace. May
Chetana.
you live long, your majesty.
Chetana.
live long, your majesty. I hope you enjoyed your lunch, my lord. My lord, here comes my son. Oh, he looks so sad. Why are you crying, my son? What shall... Oh, father, our mother died. I can't live without her. What shall we do now? I'm heartbroken. Who will take care of us now? What's the use of my life now? Let's eat this sand. I do want to die.
Good, good, good. Right. There were 5 teams. Shall I select the best team or not?
okay,
No,
sir.
sir, don't, sir,
Okay,
don't.
sir.
Still you, sir. Select
Huh?
you.
Don't jealous.
All teams are good. All teams have scored more than 75. But my best team is, shall I tell?
Tell it,
sir.
sir.
Please.
Tell it.
This time my I don't know best team is the 3rd team. තුන්වෙනිට කියපු ටීම් එක අත උස්සන්න බලන්න. කවුද ටීම් එකේ ඉන්නේ? දුලින, ජෙනුමි,
Dulina,
ශවෙන් and
Hiranya.
හිරන්‍ය. ක්ලැප් අපි
හිරන්‍ය.
ක්ලැප් කරමු. හැබැයි ලකුණු 2යි වැඩි අනිත් එකට වඩා. හරි. Second place 2 marks. But all did very well.
Second.
මම ඉදිරියට තරගයක් තියෙනවා lovers coral ආදරවන්තයින්ගේ සටනක්.
Yes,
Would you like?
Sir, what is second team?
Sir, what
Wait,
is
wait.
second team? Please tell.
Second teams දෙකක් තියෙනවා.
Okay, sir, tell it.
මම ඒ නිසා කියන්නේ now I am not going to tell.
Only, sir.
මම හැබැයි මම
Please,
දැක්කා
sir,
මේට
tell
වයි
Tell.
ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ voice වලින් මම දැක්ක මගේ හිත දිච්ච ගිය voice කීපයක් කියන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ තරහ වෙන්නේ නැද්ද එහෙම කිව්වට?
No, sir. We don't too jealous.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, we are not jealous.
Yes.
You all did very well. යනුක ඔක්කොම හොඳට කිව්වා. But මෙන්න මේ අයගේ කටහඬ අනිත් අයත් ටිකක් follow කරන්න කියද්දි right? Chetana. Good. බොහොම හොඳයි. අපි clap කරමු යාට. Yenumi, clap Chetana. Aditi, clap. Yenumi, clap. Nadev. Aditi. තව ඉන්නවා. Nadev. Harshi.
Thank you, sir.
තව ඉන්නවා. අහන්නේ. එතකොට අනිත් අය රණකයි කියන එක නෙමෙයි ඒකේ තේරුම. අනිත් අයත් හොඳයි. ඒගොල්ලොන්ගේ වොයිස් එකේ තියෙනවා ටිකක් බර ගතියක් තියෙන මේ දෙබස් වලට. ඔන්න බලන්න අපි මේ හතර දිනක් එක එකතු වෙලා කරමු බලන්න. right. ඔන්න මම මේ හතර දිනට අවස්ථාව දෙන්න. චේතනා මම ඔයා සිලෙක්ට් කරන චේතනා, අදිති, යෙනුමි and හර්ෂි. ඊළඟ තව හතරක් තෝරන්න. okay. Aditi, start.
Sugar or sand? Andre is the jester of the royal palace. One day he goes to meet the king at the palace. May you live long, my lord and my queen. I was expecting you, Andre. It's a fine day, isn't it? Andre, shall we go for a walk in the royal garden?
Enough.
Yes, my lord.
Enough. Harshi.
Okay, sir. Yes, my lord, if you please. What's on that mat, your majesty? Andre, this is kind of white sand. The royal gardener has put it there to dry. Well, it's not white sand. It's sugar. If I only could taste it. I must say.
Yenumi.
After a while, my lord, please permit me to leave now. Yes, Yumi. Andre at home. Son, I'm going to the palace again. As I told you, come to the palace crying and tell me that your mother died. All right, father. Andre at the palace.
Okay, Nadev. Nadev, you are muted. You are not ready. Ahasna.
Okay,
She's not-
sir.
Start.
Sir, can you tell the place, please?
Okay, Andre at the palace. Last topic.
Okay, sir. Andre at the palace. May you live long, your majesty. I hope you enjoyed your lunch, my lord. My lord, here comes my son. Oh, he looks so sad. Why are you crying, my son? Oh, father, our mother died. I can't live without her. What shall we do now? I'm heartbroken. Who will take care for us now? What's the use of my life now? Let's eat this sand. I too want to die.
I am sorry, I could not tell Ahasna's name. You are also on the top list, Dua. Right?
Thank you.
මට එක මතක වුණා මේ අනිත් අයත් තියෙනවා තව ඉන්න අය ඉන්නවා. Yashvi's voice is good. Rashka's voice is also good. Right? You have some voice. Senara, others also can read. Make sure. ඔබ කතා කරද්දී පොඩ්ඩක් ඉංග්‍රීසි පොඩි වෙනස් කරන්න ඕන නිකන්. ස්ටයිලිෂ් වෙන්න ඕන. ස්ටයිලිෂ්. දැන් මේ ඉංග්‍රීසි සාර චුට්ටක් වෙනස් කියලා පේන්නේ නැද්ද ඔයාලට? little bit different.
Little bitter.
Huh?
It's have very different voices.
Ah, yes. English teacher's voice is different. Hmm.
The style is
His
different.
behavior is very different. The
Yeah.
way he walks is different. Right? What he wears is different. Right? From occasion to occasion, from class to class, and from place to place. that English means English. Dulina, English nam English, right? So you also should become a Suddha. දැන් මම ඔයගොල්ලෝ චූටි දෙයක් කියන අම්මලා කරදර නොකර මෙන්න මේ දේ කරන්න පුළුවන් අය අත උස්සන මං කියන දේ. Do you like ඔබ ආසයිද the foreigners manners? ඒගොල්ලෝගේ manners වලට.
Yes, sir, we do.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Do you like foreigners manners, Renuka?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
The
That's
way,
very good manners.
yes, wait. Don't apply everything. හැමදේම apply කරගන්න එපා. When you, my dear parents ලා මෙතන ඇති. මේ දරුවන්ට මේවා පුරුදු කරන්න. From today, අද ඉඳන් දුන්න කෑම කනකොට කෑම හොඳටම හදන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Eat like a foreigner. foreigner කෙනෙක් කන්නේ කොහොමද? කාගෙනවද? එහෙම නැහැ. foreigner අපි එහෙමත් කරලාවල් තියෙනවා. He drinks, right? Like this special bottle. Keep it with me. Get a sip like this. Keep it aside. ඔබ අද රැට ඉඳන් කෑම කරනකොට අම්මා කියන්නේ යශ්මි අම්මේ අද ඉඳන් මම දැන් සුද්දෙක් වෙලා ඉන්නේ. I have become a සුද්ධියෝ සුද්දා. Right? මට කෑම තියෙනකොට වතුර එකක් ලස්සන වෙනවා පැත්තකින් තියන්න ඕන. තිබ්බේ නැත්තම් මම බලා ගන්නම්. I will see. Right?
It's too naughty.
Right? Wait a while. එහෙම කියන්නේ අම්මට කියන්න අම්මේ පුළුවන්. කෑම එක ලස්සනට මේසෙ තියලා නේ පොඩි දරුවට ඒ රෙස්පෙක්ට් එක කරන්න දෙමව්පියන්. මෙයා ඉගෙන ගත්තාම කවදා හරි someday or other day ඔබගෙන් පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහනවා අදිති. මොකක්ද දන්නවද අහන්නේ හිරු? Who is your teacher? කවුද ඔබේ ගුරුතුමා? Who are your teachers? කවුද ඔයාගේ ගුරුවරු? From where did you learn? ඔබ ඉගෙන ගත්තේ කොහෙන්ද? You have a good voice. Right? එතකොට මම මේ වගේ qualities දැක්කහම then you come to my age. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මගේ වයසට එනවා. Maybe middle age, young age. එතකොට I come and salute hero. මං salute කරනවා. salute කළ කියනවා when you go back home ඔබ ගෙදර ගියාම කියන්න an old man salutes your qualities. දිලීප කියලා මහලු මිනිස්සෙක් අම්මේ මගේ ගතිගුණ වලට ආචාර කර බව පවසන්න කියලා සර් කිව්වා. An old man salutes your qualities. එනවි දැක්කද අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි කැම්ප් එක කරපු විදිය? Did you see?
Yes, sir.
Right. After the camp එකකින් පස්සේ there was a very nice, very delicious lunch arranged by Yenumi's mother at hotel. එක hotel එකේ තිබුණා. At Gagadi's home there was a very good breakfast. අපි එක මුක්ති විඳින්න. I like keep a special glass. පුළුවන් වෙලාවට හැන්දක් use කරන කෑමට. හැමනිතරම නෙවෙයි, not all the time. Use a spoon. ඒව ඉගෙන ගන්න table manners. Otherwise, when you go to Colombo, you must learn this, table manners. How to use the spoon, how to use the fork, very
How to use the knife?
how to drink water with which hand. ඒව ඉගෙන ගන්නවා.
How
After
to
eating,
manage the table?
how do the cutlery set? How do you keep them? Cutlery set එක කොහොමද තියන්නේ? And those ඒ පුංචි දේවල් මේ විශේෂ අමතර වර්ධවා හිතන්න එපා. It takes time. කාලය ගත වුණත් මගේ ඉංග්‍රීසි කැම්ප් එකේදී මම ළමයින්ට මුලින්ම එන අයට උගන්වනවා. I teach Shaven when you come to the camp how you must use fork, කොහොමද ගෑරිප්ප use කරන්නේ, and so how you must use the spoon. අම්මට අදම කියන්න ඕන මං කෑම කද්දී අම්මේ මට මේසේ කෑම තියන්න ඕන. Special. Keep a special glass with a spoon and finger ball එකක් තියන්න. ගෙදර මේ වඩු තියෙනව නේද? කබඩ් වල දාලා හැංගලා තියන්නේ අම්මලා.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They never take out.
Oh,
ඒක
sir.
තමයි. ඕගොල්ලන්ට තියෙන්නේ නරක පිකන් වල නේද? අමුත්තොන්ට හොඳ පිකන්.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
මේ දුලින හොඳම පිකන් ටික හංගලනේ අම්ම තියෙන්නේ. නෑ යා.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right. එහෙනම් වරදවා හිතන්න එපා. මම ෆොටෝ එකක් ගෲප් එකට දාන්නම්. සර් කන්නේ දුප්පත් විදියට තමයි. නමුත් ටේබල් එක ආසයිද දකින්න? Do you like?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We like.
Ah,
We like, sir. Yes, sir.
right. I will get a normal photograph. හැබැයි කෑම වර්ග ලොකු ඒවනේ පුංචි කෑම මම කන how I share, how I serve myself on a plate and eat. But I use my fingers to eat. Most of the time I use fingers, but sometimes use spoon and fork and all. එහෙම පුරුදු වෙන්න. ඒක ඔබ වෙනස් වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ගමේ කට්ටිය ඔබ follow කරනවා ජෙනුයි. Oh, this girl is very different. Dulina, like a foreigner, very different man. Dulina එනකොට නිකන් බයට අයින් වෙනවා නිකන් ගමේ මෙහෙම. පාර ඉඩ දෙනවා. Do කැමති නේද එහෙම ටිකක් තමන්ට තැනක් දෙනවනම්? Do you like?
Yes, sir. We like it. Sir, we like. Yes, sir. Yes,
They
sir.
call you. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඔබට කියනවා.
I like very much.
සෙනාරා මැඩම්, සනුලි මැඩම්, අදිති මැඩම්. එහෙම කියන්නේ. ආස්ලා මැඩම් වෙනවා. She is coming. අපි අයින් වෙන්න ඕන පාරේ. You should go aside and use.
සර් එහෙම අයින් වෙන්නේ නැහැ සර්. ජනාධිපති ආවොත් තමයි අයින් වෙන්නේ.
නෑ නෑ නෑ.
එහෙම නම් අයින් වෙන්නේ නැහැ සර්.
ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉස්කෝලේ මිස් ජනාධිපතිතුමා ඉස්කෝලේ මිස්ලා එනකොට අයින් වෙන්නේ නැද්ද පොඩ්ඩක් ඉඳ දෙනව නේද?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
නැත්නම් මිස්ලා ඉද්දි සර්ලා ඉද්දි මිස් යන පැත්තකින් මිස් යන්න. අපි ඉන්නේ මෙහෙම.
Like but
Never.
No, sir.
Make sure earn your respect. Learn discipline. Be well disciplined yourself. You can never ever learn from any class. English class is the only class where you can cultivate this passion, styles, passion. And
you are right, but now people are
But not too much fashions.
yes, not
No, no.
too much passion. Passion කිව්වේ දුව විලාසිතා නෙමෙයි. ඒ විලාසිතා නෙමෙයි මං කිව්වේ. මේ කලාවක් රටාවල් ගන්න.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. මම ඔබට ඒක උගන්වන්න ඉංග්‍රීසි කැම්ප් එකේදී not only myself, the teachers who come with me. සර් එක්ක එනවා ලස්සන ගුරුවරියන් කීප දෙනෙක්. අපිට බණ්ඩාරල එක්කන් එන්න බැරි වුණා. අපි කොළඹ කැම්ප් එකට එක්කන් එනවා, right? I will take a teacher from Royal College. She's a student of mine, right? තාමත් මගේ ශිෂ්‍යාවක් තමයි. Still she calls me, sir, I have a problem. What is this word? How we must use this word? Good, very good girl. And another teacher from Dharmashoka College. Right. I am an old man, 60. Okay, page number 2. මං කාලය ගත කරා අනවශ්‍ය දෙයකට සමාවෙන්න. But you try to learn something. අද එහෙනම් සුද්දෙක් වෙනව නේද යනුක ගෙදර? You become a සුද්දා.
Yes, sir.
හරි. හැබැයි අම්මට කරදර කරන්නේ නැතුව උයපු දේ ලස්සන ටේබල් එකේ තියාගන්න රශ්කා. අම්මා උයන්නේ what she prepares. Nadev, keep it in a nice table. You also help. Get a photograph and send to my WhatsApp number. හරි. You can put the arrangement again, not the meals, scam or go on and just, so this is how I eat. Okay, okay, okay. Activity 2. Okay. Rearrange and write. You know Andare's story now. Please put the numbers from 1 to 10. Start. 1, 2, 3. Sadish. Number 1 මොකද්ද 1 to 10. Start everybody. Ragani, switch on the video.
Sir,
Okay, switch on the video, please.
excuse me, sir.
Switch on the camera. Everybody.
Sir, and on the last week I asked meaning of a word.
Yes.
The meaning is හොරෙන් බලන්න එපා කියන එක.
What is that sentence?
Peeking.
PK.
Peeking.
Peeking.
Yes, sir.
හොරෙන් බලන්න එපා. I don't think මම හිතන්නේ ඒකේ අර්ථය මෙහෙමයි කියලා. Give me the sentence. ඔයා වගන්තිය මට කියනවා නම් හරි. Sometimes you may be correct. ඔබ හරි වෙන්න පුළුවන්, but I don't think that this word gives that meaning. Speaking. Anyway, thank you. I will check, refer to that word once again, refer to the dictionary, and I will see. Okay, now they finished writing, Sadish.
Yes, sir.
On my brother, I'm Sanara.
Okay.
done, sir. I am Shavin.
Okay, Shavin. Now, Shavin, hondai voice se
I have done my
strong
work,
vela
so
tiyan.
I'm
Shavin, your voice has become stronger. Aditi finished writing. Aditi, these days, are you not joining chess tournaments?
Yes, sir. I joined the chess tournament last Friday.
Okay, what happened? What doing?
There are 7 matches. I won 4 matches.
4. That's good. You won 4. Some matches were drawn, not drawn equally,
No, sir.
equally ended. No, you lost
No,
3, won 4.
Yes, sir.
I played the tournament.
I have done my work, sir.
Right. Do you have a big chessboard at home?
Yes, sir. I have done my
Can your
work.
mother or father play chess?
No, sir. They can't.
When I come to your home, I like to play a game with you. Right?
Okay, sir.
I am not a good player, but I will try my best to give you a big fight. Not to win, just to survive. Who else can play chess? Avakado chess play karan pula.
Harshi.
Sir, I'm Sarada.
Sir, I can have minutes.
I can
play, sir.
I can, sir. I'm Sarada.
I can play, sir.
Sir, last week I played the chess tournament online.
Online?
Yes, sir. I am second place.
What is your name?
Harshi.
Okay, you play second. Okay,
Yes.
Harshi. I will come to your house and play a game with you. Huh?
Okay, sir. We have a website to play, and we should log in it and play. You can learn and complete puzzles and take your rating.
Okay, okay. I will see. I like to play a match with Aditi. I like to play a match with you. Mama asai habai paradin ogolonta. I like to be beaten, huh? Not to win. Huh?
Why, sir? Why?
Yes. Yes, with student I should not fight. I should lose the game, right? Then I am very happy. Mam peradunama tha mata satuduwa. I am very happy if I lose.
Why, sir?
Excuse me.
Losers are winners. Paradina yakrage. Okay. Activity number 3. Please read this question. Yenuka Sadahas.
Read this and fill in the table.
Read this and fill in the table. The drama of the year. How Andre moved a big stone. Presented by grade 6 students of CW Kannangara Vidyalaya.
Excuse me, sir.
Switch off your mics. What is the problem?
Excuse me, sir.
In activity 3 is not very clear.
Not very clear. Then take out your school textbook.
Okay.
Take it out and can somebody tell me what is the page number, Aditi? Quickly turn to
89.
89.
enough. Wait, page 89. Okay. I downloaded it from the book.
Sir, mine some pages are not clear.
Okay, no problem.
We will complete it.
Some pages I cannot read also.
Okay, you can complete it. Look at the book. 1, 2, 3.
What is the page number, sir?
89. Yenuka, did you find 89 page?
No, sir.
You have got the textbook. Isko achuputta gana puta. And turn to page number 89, Yenuka. Chenuli, turn to page number 89. Not right. Okay. Is it clear? Sadish, did you get the textbook?
Yes, sir.
Turn to page number 89 and write answers. Brilliant.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
You started class every day 5:30 a.m. 5:30 p.m.
Yes. Now every Friday from 5:30 to 7:30.
So we will write capital letters because our PPN's book has a capital letters.
No problem.
Okay, sir.
I have done my work, sir.
Me too, sir.
I am Sandasya. I have done my work, sir.
Okay.
I have done my work, sir.
Right. Now we have only 1.5 months during we are going to grade 7. Right?
Yes, sir.
Do you all, right? Do you all join our grade 7 class?
Yes, sir. We do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. Nice to hear. But for grade 7, I need 100 students, not 40, 50. You have to invite 2 of your friends, Chetana, right? To join the class.
Okay, sir.
Enhance the invite at the invite.
Okay, sir.
But I am trying just.
This 2019 or 2016?
2019.
Okay, first one. Aditi, what is the name of the drama?
How Andre moved a huge stone.
How Andre moved the huge stone. Yenuka, what is the name of the school?
CWW Kannangara Vidyalaya.
Lynette, what is the date?
3rd November 2019.
Presented by Harshi.
Yes, sir.
Who presented it?
Presented by grade 6 students.
Okay, what is the time, Sarada?
At 2:30 p.m.
Sadish, what is the place?
Main hall.
In the main hall. Main hall also correct time. Hands up those who have written correctly all the answers.
I am 7.
Page number,
Yes,
okay, page number 3. There is another notice. Read the notice and answer the question. That is a question prepared by the teacher. Onna sir ge prashnayak make. 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Start everybody.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I don't have that page.
Why? Page is missing.
It's not clear.
Shall I read the notice? You try to follow it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me,
The
sir.
drama club of Mihindu Vidyalaya has organized the stage drama Raja Kapuru. It will be held on 28 OCT October කියලා දාන්න එක. OCT O capital October 2021. 28 OCT October at 2:30 p.m. in the college auditorium. Tickets are available at the school library. Secretary. Harshi, okay? Shall I read one more time?
Okay, sir.
The drama club of Mihindu Vidyalaya has organized the stage drama Raja Kapuru. It will be held on 28 October 2021 at 2:30 p.m. in the college auditorium. Tickets are available at the school library.
Okay, sir. I read it.
Gagani අහලා තියෙනවද රාජ කපුරු කියන නාට්‍ය? No?
Sam, hear it.
You have heard? අම්මලගෙන් අහන්නකෝ. අම්මේ, have you heard Raja Kapuru?
Sam,
I have done my work, sir.
Yanuka, you can talk to your mother. Amme,
Excuse me, sir.
have you watched Raja Kapuru?
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you read the last sentence?
Tickets are available at the school library.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. දැන් මේ පන්ති ළමයින්ගේ හොඳ ගතිගුණ තියෙනවා. සර්ට තෑන්ක් කරනවා. සුද්ධ වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ගතිගුණ වලින් තමයි කෑම වලින් විතරක් නෙවෙයි කියන්නේ මියා. With discipline, manners, everything, every aspect. හැම අයුරින්ම. Become a foreigner.
I have done my work, sir. I have done my work, sir. I am Shavin.
Sir, is there any questions?
Me too, sir.
Yes, there are 5 questions only.
Sir, can you read it, please?
What is the notice about? When will the drama be held? Where will the drama be staged? Where? Who has organized it? Where can the tickets be bought?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Disinu Paswan, what is the notice about? Disinu.
Can I tell, sir?
Disinu is silent. Please answer. Wait. Upeksha, can you answer? I can't hear. Chetana, what is the notice about?
about stage drama Raja Kapuru.
About the stage drama Raja Kapuru.
Can I?
Upeksha number 2. When will the drama be held?
On 28th of 2001.
On 28 October 2021. Yenumi Sandadiya. Now, name correct? Sandhiya, no? Yenumi, can you tell me your name? Correct name, Yenumi?
Answer.
My name is Yenumi Sandilya Samarakar.
Sandilya.
Yes, sir.
But I can say Sandhya like that. Sandilya. Okay, Sandilya. Where is the drama be? Where will the drama be staged?
In Mihindu Vidyalaya.
Okay, okay. Not. Vidyalaya, no. Not Dulina.
In the college auditorium.
In the college auditorium. Sadish, who has organized it?
Sir, I can have it.
Mihindu Vidyalaya.
Who has organized it? Not Mihindu Vidyalaya. Chetana, who has organized it?
The Drama Club of Mihindu Vidyalaya.
The drama club of Mihindu Vidyalaya. Mr. Nadev, where can the tickets be bought?
From school library.
Huh? At the school library, not on, at the school library. 10 marks.
Sir, my own lab correct.
Raja Kapru, නාට්‍යයේ මං ගීතයක් කියන්නද?
Okay, sir. My grand.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I take only 10 marks. I am sorry.
Repeated.
You, හරි. ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ සින්දුව අද අහන්න. හැබැයි මේ වේදිකා නාට්‍ය වර්ධවා හිතන්න බහල ලස්සනයි මේ ගීතයේ අර්ථයකුත් තියෙනවා. රාජ කපුරු නාට්‍ය රවීන්ද්‍ර යසස් එයා තමයි මේකේ රඟපාන්නේ යාගේ නාට්‍ය. ඕගොල්ලෝ අහලා ඇති ඔන්න බලන්න. ඕගොල්ලෝ අහලා තියෙනවද මේක? සුවඳ සවන් ඇඟ ගාලා හායි හායි. අහලා තියෙද?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know that song.
අහලා තියෙනව නේද?
Yes, sir.
රාජ කපුරු එයා ඉතින් ලස්සන රඟපාන. සුවඳ සබන් ඇඟ ගාලා හායි හායි. මුමුකදී ඇදලා නාලා නේද? එහෙම තමයි යා කියන්නේ. හැඩ වැඩ වෙන්න ඔයා ලස්සන සලු පළඳා එනවා ඔබව සොයා. ඊපස්සේ I think ලස්සන ගෑලම එක්ක රඟපාන I can't act. අද සින්දුව හර්ෂි අහලා බලන්න ඕන.
Okay, sir.
සුවඳ සබන් ඇඟ ගාලා හායි හායි. ඉංග්‍රීසි ගෑලකුත් තියෙන නේද?
Beautiful.
Yes, sir. It's mixed with English.
අන්න right. Mixed with English තුලින. සුවඳ සබන් ඇඟ ගාලා හායි හායි. right? එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ ගීතේ අද නරඹන්න හැබැයි මෙහෙමයි. අම්මගේ තාත්තගේ ෆෝන් එක අරගෙන නාට්‍ය ඔරිජිනල් ගීතේම ගන්න. ඒකේ දෙබස් එක්ක යාර ඇඳුම් ඇඳගෙන මෙහෙම ජටාව බැඳගෙන turban. He was wearing a turban with jewels. අර කරාබු දාලා හරිම ලස්සනයි.
සර් ඒක
Yes,
ටිකක්
sir.
බෝඩ් එකේ ලියන්න පුළුවන්ද ඒ කොහොමද ඒක ගහගන්නේ කියලා?
Raja Kapuru. Stage drama Raja Kapuru. Right? දැන් ළමයි මේවට ආස නැහැ. හැබැයි මම ආසාව ඇති කරනවා. I inject. Fine. I will tell you the last drama අන්තිමට බලපු drama එක තමයි ළමයි. මට මතක විදිහට 2 years ago it was staged at Karapiti auditorium එකේ තිබුණා Julius Caesar. පරණ නාට්‍යයක්. It was organized by faculty of Ruhuna, and the actors came from Peradeniya campus. Harima lassana. They did it very well.
My father also in Peradeniya campus.
Okay. What is your name, Dua?
Arshi.
Harshi. Right. Tell your father a team from Peradeniya campus came to Gaul, right?
Yes.
To act Julius Caesar.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Now our time is going to be over. කාලය ටික ටික අවසන් වෙනවා. මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට දේවල් තුනක් කිව්වා. First thing is සුවඳ සබන් එක ගාලා හායි හා. අද මේ සින්දුව යනුක ඒක කාමරේ දොර වහගෙන නටල පුරුදු වෙන්නත් ඕන. හරි. කාටවත් පේන්නේ නැති වෙන්න you close the door. Right? Okay, Yenumi, close the door and practice. Huh? People will laugh
Okay,
at
sir.
you. Practice වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේද අදිති? Sanuli? Like that practice.
I can, sir.
Alone. My sister
But wait, don't practice in the bathroom because you will fall down.
Excuse me, sir.
Suvanda Sabang is in the bathroom, but don't practice, you will fall down. There could be a problem. Right? Practice it.
Sir,
Yeah.
Raja Sabhava කියලා එකකුත් යනවා සන්වාහිනී.
Yes, Raja Sabha is also good. Raja Kapuru is
very
better.
jokey.
And second thing is, මං දේවල් තුනක් කිව්වා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මතක නැතුවට. Second thing is, write an essay about my
School.
My school.
About my school.
my school.
About my school.
Write an essay about my school and Suvanda Sabang Engala hi. Okay.
Two things.
I am sure මට විශ්වාසයි you will be interested in යනුක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේක ආසිතේ සින්දුවට. Right? Right. ගෑනු ළමයි ඊටත් වඩා ආස වේවි හර්ෂියා. Because a boy is acting like a girl. Huh? Then girls would be very much interested in that song. What is the third one? Nadev තුන්වෙනි එක මොකද්ද? Eat like a Suddha.
Foreigner.
Like a foreigner.
Be a foreigner. Not eat. Not eat.
Foreigner.
Not eat. Eat, drink, walk, speak.
And manners.
Manners. Discipline everywhere. ඔගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා විදේශ රටවල් අපේ රටවල් වඩා හුඟක් පිරිසිදුද අපිරිසිදුද? Have you heard? European countries.
Very clear. Very clean.
Right. These countries are very clean because
Most clear
the
people in
people
foreign
are
countries.
well disciplined. Not all the countries. Asian countries are not very clean, cleaner than European. And also, ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉන්න කාමරේ පොත් මේස ලස්සන හදා ගන්න ඕන ගගනියා. මම චෙක් කරනවා ගගනි බණ්ඩාරට ඇවිල්ලා. I will check.
Okay, sir.
ඒකෙත් ෆොටෝ එකක් ගහලා එවන්න ඕනේ ගෙනි. This is my room.
Okay, sir.
Book, rack and all. Then I can give you Linet marks. ලකුණු අඩු වුණත් වැඩි වුණත් දුනින ඕගොල්ලෝගේ ජීවිතේට දේවල් එකතු වෙනව නේද එතකොට? පිළිවෙලට වැඩ කරන්න අපේ ඉංග්‍රීසි සර් වෙනස්. මමත් මගේ පොත් මේසෙ ෆොටෝ දෙක තුනක් ගහලා එවන්නයි සර් එහෙම තමයි. Right?
Like this.
Yes. මෙතන ළමයි නෑ but for my Wednesday's class 2 students Aditi came to my house. දෙන්නෙක් ආවා. They brought me 2 flower plants anyway. මල්පල දෙකකුත් මේ ළමයි දෙන්න මට ගෙනත් දුන්න රශ්ක. I planted them. And okay, I showed them මගල පෙන්නුවා my book rack. All books, many books are there. Thank you for joining, my dear children. You log into our Kumar Sir's special class www. I hope you will invite your friends. Mama link එක common group එකට දැම්මේ. Why? අනිත් සර් කොමන් ගෲප් එකට දාන්නේ නැහැ නේද?
No, sir.
No, sir.
කුමාර සර් මට බණීවි නමුත් සර්ම තමයි කිව්වේ හරි. Dilip invite everybody. My class will be open to everyone in Sri Lanka. They can come and join. think ඔයගොල්ලෝ now you have developed your English. මේ myteachers.lk class එකේ ඉංග්‍රීසි ටිකක් දියුණු කරගත්තලා මට උස්සන්න. Hands up those who have improved reading, story. අවංකවම බොරුවට බෑ. සර් මගේ කිසිම දියුණුවක් තාම ලබා ගත්තේ නැත. එහෙම කියන්න ඕන අවංකව.
Sir, when I join this class, I cannot write a essay also.
Okay, very good. තව කවුද කියන්නේ ඒවයි කතා?
Sir, when I was joining this class, I didn't read any English books, but my mother always brought me English books. Today she went to the town and she again brought me new English books.
Very good. Very good. Wait. 1 minute. Your teacher is a good reader. එකඟද නැද්ද?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I entirely agree with you.
Yes. Teacher is a good reader. Yes, sir. හොඳ reader කෙනෙක්. Still I read. So follow the teacher. මම බොරුවට කියන්නේ මම කැමති මටත් වඩා ඔයගොල්ලෝ readersලා වෙන්න ඕන. Right?
Sir, my father gave this book for me.
Very good. Very good. Always.
Sir, this class is helpful.
Okay. I think we wrote more than 15 essays, no?
Now
Reading,
this is 16.
English games, activities, and many more. ඔබට මේ අදහස් myteachers.lk වලට message ආකාරයෙන් දාන්න පුළුවන්. අනිත් අය මේක දකින්න others will see. Oh, they have improved. They have learned many things. You can thank Kumar sir. So thank you for giving us a good class. Not only myself, Max teacher is a good teacher, science teacher, they are very good teachers. And especially English. So I want you to read, I want you to speak spoken English. We have taught you many things. If you stay here with me, Harshi, until grade 9, dakwa ඔබ ඉදියොත් you can become a genuine Suddha, not right, not duplicate Suddha Durina, original Suddha. Right? Mila, Mandano parents will thank me. Okay, sir, thank you. My son is like a foreigner, he eats like a foreigner, he reads books and all. Thank you for joining. Now, okay, my dear, hope see you back with smiling faces next Friday. Friday is our luckiest day.
Okay,
Okay,
5:30. Invite your friends to have friends good night.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you are happy, tell one of your friends. If you are not happy, can you please tell Kumar sir we are not happy. If you are happy, tell one.
Yes, sir. Is always copying me. She's speaking in English with me, sir.
Yes. If you are not happy, he will give you a better teacher than myself.
No, sir. You are the best teacher ever, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You are the best teacher in English.
Thank you, my dear. Good night, Yanuka.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Goodbye, sir. Good night, sir. Yes.